Kabayo. Yun sa kanino. Pag ano. Pag kulit ba. Ito. Kabayo ang forma. May ano. Bulang kristal.
Oh. Dat was die bij niet.
Tipat. Very tipat. Dara. Mushroom. Mushroom nga na crucifix. Saint Florian, ayan. Diba? Tingnan mo, oh guys, oh. Naku, pag ganito sa Pilipinas, hala. Pag ganito sa Pilipinas, if it is like this, the snake will come into. But, that kind of wood is really very stark,
Yeah.
durable or whatever. I don't know, it looks like nara or we have tugas, we call it tugas in Philippines. That is really, I remember this, we use this for wood if we have fiesta. We cut that and or for kupra. Here like this. We use this. Very big, oh. Tingnan mo. Ay, nasa lasang talaga kami, oh. Tama. Yan. Diba? Kahit nasa lasang. Tingnan mo, ang daming pine tree. Maraming mga wildflower. Ito, oh. Hala, ilang years na kaya to? What is that here?
Dat?
For if
Wow.
horse no.
Ja.
Yeah.
Wat cow? Wat?
Ito. Ilang years na kaya to? Ito, lagyan ng bulaklak. Ang ganda ng bulaklak, oh. Okay.
Here we that here? Maybe?
Ang bango.
Maybe?
Ang bango siya.
Maybe. That here.
Yeah.
That come here?
Yeah.
And here?
The horse. Yeah. Sa amo apa sa in our kuan is kangga. Carabao and then kangga, but that is another style. Here. But here on the flower is very good smell. Wow. I remember Kiksi love smell. Parang kamuti siya, oh. It looks like kamuti ba? Sweet potato. Ano. Diba good smell siya? This ba I like where to buy this, I think in Obi. In Obi. Here for the hair. For ano? For that I want to buy. Yeah, for hang. Kasi ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Ano, may puan talaga yun siya, oh.